Ever wish you could have all your favorite tunes organized and ready to go on your iPhone, iPad, or any Apple device? In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to add music to your iTunes library, setting you up for a personalized listening experience. First, open iTunes on your computer. Look at the top left of the screen and click on File. This menu gives you all the important options to manage your music. From the drop-down menu, select one of two options. Add file to library is for importing a single song. Add folder to library lets you import an entire album or even a folder containing multiple songs. Choose whichever option suits your needs. After selecting either add file to library or add folder to library, a browser window will pop up. Here you can choose the music files from your computer. Navigate to where you have your music stored. It could be in your downloads folder, on your desktop, or anywhere else. Select the song or the folder and click open. Boom! The selected music will be added to your iTunes library. You can now find your newly added music under songs, or depending on the metadata tags, the music will be organized under artist, albums, genres, or playlists. Now sync your device and enjoy your music anywhere. So simple.